Large language models are actually based on a type of neural network called the transformer, and you'll also hear that it's called the transformer architecture. Transformers are part of a broader category of models called sequence models. Sequence models are designed to be able to handle sequential data. For example, a piece of text in human language is sequential data because the order of the words matter, and we process the words in order, for instance, from left to right. Another example is DNA or RNA sequences, genomic data. Again, the order of these letters, which are actually called nucleotides, matters in determining what kinds of proteins these sequences are ultimately coding for. And there's also time series data, such as weather or temperature over time, or stock data over time. There are different categories of sequence models that have been designed to handle sequential data. One collection of models are called recurrent neural networks. The way recurrent neural networks process sequential data is one at a time. So if it's given a sequence of words, it first takes in the first word, then the second word, the third word, and the fourth word, and then its task is to try and predict the next word after that. So it processes the input sequence in series, one at a time. In contrast, a newer sequence model that was developed by researchers at Google in 2017 is the transformer. If given a piece of text like this, the transformer model can actually take in many of the words all at the same time with an understanding of the order in which those words appeared in the original text. And based on these inputs, it produces an output, such as the next word. So a major difference between these two is that with a recurrent neural network, it processes the input sequence in series. In contrast, the transformer model is able to process the input text in parallel, which makes it much faster and also in practice makes it better able to handle long sequences.